Hey friends, welcome back to the Strolling with Jordan YouTube channel. Today, we are doing a unboxing and review of this Jazz Porsche 935 Turbo from Transformers More Than Meets the Eye. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. We can throw the box away now. Let's do that now. It is sort of, this particular car has working doors, as you can see. I'm going to close them right now. They were really hard to open at first, so that's why I opened them ahead of time. This particular Porsche is a special racing Porsche. It has a lot of horsepower. I'm not sure how much because it didn't show how much it was online. So I don't know about that. I'm sorry, friends. This particular Porsche is from the 70s. It is a wide body in the rear, as you can tell. These rims are really cool looking. They are chrome rims. Let me show you around this car. Here's one of the sides. Here's the back with its big giant wing. Here's the other side. And here's the front. Alright friends, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Please comment on the video. What's your favorite Transformer movie and what your Transformer favorite one is? I forgot to mention, this particular Transformer has really cool livery. It is red and blue. Alright friends, that's all for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And share the video with your friends. And I will see you all next time. Goodbye friends.